In this video, I will show you how to fix network problem in your iPhone. Without wasting any time, let's start it. Solution number 1. Go to Settings. Click on Mobile Data. Here click on Network Selection. Turn off Automatic. You can see the available network. Here select any one. Solution number 2. Go to Settings. Click on Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth. Solution number 3. Go to Settings. Airplane mode turn on and back turn it off. Solution number 4. Go to Settings. Scroll down and click on General. Scroll down and click on Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset All Settings. Again click on Reset All Settings to confirm this process. I hope your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.